Hey guys, welcome back to the Goodview Woodworks channel. My name's Nathan, and today we're gonna be going over part 2 of the buffet server build. So tonight, what we're gonna do is we're gonna start putting these legs together, and we're gonna build it in 4 sections. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna build one side of the leg frame, and then same thing on the right hand side, and there'll be 2 in the middle. So bear with me, you'll see how it's coming together.
Next level.
Alright, now that we got our 4 cross pieces cut, I'll show you how the leg assemblies go together. Okay, so essentially, this is how they will go together. We're going to dowel this piece here, and then this piece will be down here a little further, more like right here. We'll also dowel that piece in, and that's going to be one leg assembly. So what we'll do is we'll make one leg assembly for the left, one leg assembly for the right, and 2 in the middle. This will be my design, so it might be a little confusing now, but you'll see it later. I hope. Alright, so all I have to do here for to add dowels, we're going to make some marks where we're going to put our dowels. And then, if you guys don't have one of these, make sure you get yourself one of these dowel jigs, man. They are so awesome. They'll get you up there working right, boy. Working right, boy. So, what it is this piece clamps on the wood, and you have different sized dowels that you can drill into, and it guides it right to you. It puts it right in the middle for you because it works like a clamp. So here, I'll show you. So I don't know if you guys can see that, but I'm gonna try to get the shot the best I can. So with this dowel jig, where I scribed the line, maybe hard for you to see it, but right in here, you can't see it. You see where my scribe line is though? Right here? Well, right dead center of the dowel hole, there's a scribe mark on the dowel jig, so you can line the lines perfectly up in the center. And what I'll do now is I'll drill that hole, and we'll be ready for a dowel. Remember to use a flag so that you know how deep to go. You don't want to go too deep when putting dowels in. Alright, so there we have our 2 holes. The dowel fits right in there. Alright, so now that we have the holes for the dowels drilled, we're going to go ahead and glue and clamp them up. So now, hopefully, after that process, you can kind of understand where I'm going here. Here you see, this is the side. This will be like the left side of the server here. And what we're going to do is we're going to make 4 of these frames, and then we'll close it in with plywood. So, only 4 more of these to make. Check it out. Also, what you want to do is make sure that you wipe up any squeeze out. And if you guys ever want to make something like this, make sure that you do get squeeze out. That way you know you have a good glue joint. All right, 4 more of these to make. So we got these frames glued up and they're dry finally. What we're going to do is we're going to take them out of the clamps and get them sanded down.
Next level.
Alright, now it's time to get these things sanded. We're going to just go ahead and sand with 100 grit, 120, and then we'll sand it to 220. Tell you what, these things are going to be slicker than a cat turd on linoleum. Hopefully you know what I mean by that. Alright, well, while I get these things sanded up, it's going to take me a little bit, but what I wanted to do is I wanted to show you what this cabinet's going to look like. So I'm going to go ahead and set up each one of these leg frames and show you how big this cabinet's going to be and how awesome it's going to be. Check it out. Alright, so I got the pieces set up so that you can kind of see how this buffet is going to be going together. Because I know it's hard because I didn't put up like a little display on the screen of what I want it to look like, which I will. I'll probably put it right around here, and it's a drawing that I did, so it's gonna be, so you can kind of see what it's gonna look like. But here you go, I have all the pieces set up so that when we go to cut the plywood, you'll be able to see how we're gonna box it in. Here it is, it's looking awesome. So here are the frames. So we have the shorter frame here and a shorter this direction. This one is 3 inches longer, and you'll see in the drawing why I did that. But here are the pieces set up. It's going to be huge. And you can see the tapers on the leg here. They taper to the outside, and the same thing over there. This buffet cabinet's gonna be huge, and I have a pretty small shop, so hashtag small shop, hashtag tiny, hashtag even though I have a small shop, I get really big things out of it. So this is part 2. We're gonna wrap this video up here. In the next video, we're gonna go ahead and cut all the plywood and get it boxed in. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Also, if it's your first time here, hit the subscribe button and ring the bell to the right of the subscribe button to notify you anytime I post a new video. So in the next few weeks, we're gonna go ahead and knock this buffet server out, and it's gonna be really, really pretty piece. Hey, I just wanted to let you know something. I want to thank you guys so much because yesterday I hit over 500 subscribers. Now, you may say to yourself, 500? That number's smaller than a tick turd. But to me, it's a huge milestone. I want to thank you guys for spending your time watching and learning how to build awesome things, and I hope that it inspires you to get out there and build the things that you want to build. So thanks again for watching. Thanks again for subscribing. I hope that you continue to help me build my channel, and I'll continue to help put content out that you guys want to see. So let me know in the comments down below. Don't be afraid to shoot me some constructive criticism and give me some ideas that you would like for me to build. Thanks again, guys.